maybe it's too much to hold it down, to look away the night sky. Hello, you never was so fond of memories. It takes forever just to find a love, to live a life under the starlight.